Session of Mommy Teo Teaches Math. Again, this topic is a request topic. So I will be discussing special products. Two special products again. And these are square of binomial and square of a trinomial. When we say special products, it follows a certain pattern. Let's do it. Number one, the first set is a square of binomial. The second set is a square of trinomial. How do we get the product of this? So that is a plus 2b squared. This one is very easy. All you have to do is to square the first and the second and then double the product of the first and the second. What do I mean by that? So the product is composed of 3. If this one is plus, all plus. If that one is minus, that will be minus plus. Okay, so this one is you square the first, you square the last. And then you put 2 here and then multiply the first and multiply the second. So this first, second, second. Okay, so let's do it. So this one is a squared plus 2a, 2b plus 2b squared. So this one is a squared plus 4ab plus 4b squared. So that's number one. Number two, we have 2x minus 3y. So 2x minus 3y equals, that is first, this one is minus, this one is minus 2, first, second, second. Okay. So this is 2x, this one is 2x, this one is 3y, this one is 3y. So we have 4x squared minus 4 times 3 is 12xy plus, this one is squared, 9y squared. That's it. For number 3, this one is considered as, of course, the negative. So we will be following this one, this sign. This is negative 3a plus 5b squared. So squared. This one is minus, so we have minus 2 first, second plus second. Okay, so we have 3a, 5b, 5b. So we have 9a squared minus 30ab plus 25b squared. Okay, number 4, we have 5xy plus 4 squared. So this is equal to squared plus 2 first, second plus squared. Squared. So we have 5xy. This one is 5xy, 4, 5xy. So we have 5 times 5 is 25, x squared, y squared, plus 10xy times 4, that will be 40xy. Plus, that is 25x squared, y squared. Okay. For number 5, let's do number 5. So that one is minus again. So we have 7a squared minus 5x squared, y squared, squared. So we have squared minus 2 first, second plus second squared. Okay. So this one is equal to, this one is equal to 7a squared, 7a squared, 5x squared, y squared, 5x squared, y squared. So 7 times 7 is 49, a raised to 4. This one is 5 times 7 is 35 times 2, it's 70. A squared, x squared, y squared, plus 25 x raised to 4 y raised. Special product is square of trinomial. How do we do that? This time you have to square all. Square the first, square the second, square the third. 2z. Okay? Square the first. Square the second. Square the last. It's plus plus plus. And then plus 2. Multiply the first by the second. You need to get the 3 combination. Plus 2. This 2 is fixed. This 2 is fixed. Second and third. And then 2 first and third. Okay. That's it. So how do we do that? This is x plus y plus 2z. It's the third. Plus 2 x times y plus 2 y times 2z plus 2 x times 2z. Okay, so our product then is x squared plus y squared plus 4z squared plus 2xy plus 4yz plus 4xz. That's it. Number 2. For number 2, you will be doing the same. You have to square all terms and then you get the 3 combination and multiply it by 2. So how do we do that? Square everything. This is 2x squared negative 3y squared. This time I will be including, of course, the sign. Plus 2, because I will be using addition, all addition. So therefore, we need to include the sign. First, and then second, plus 2. That is second. And third, plus 2. First, and third. Okay, I got the 3 combinations. So finally, our product will be 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 1. Plus this one, when you multiply the 3, that will become negative. So this one is negative. 4 times 3 is 12xy. This one is negative 6y. This one is positive 4x. As arranging this in descending order, this is 4x squared plus 9y squared minus 12xy minus 6y plus 4x plus 1. So this one is the product. Number 3. You square everything. That will be 2a squared plus b squared plus negative 3c cubed squared plus 2 times, what's the first combination? The first combination is 2a squared times b plus 2 times b times negative 3c cubed plus 2 times 2a squared negative 3c cubed. Okay, let's multiply everything. This one is equal to 4a raised to 4. This is b squared. This is 9c raised to 6. This is plus 4a squared b. This one is negative 6bc cubed. This one is negative 12a squared c cubed. Okay. So arranging this in descending, this will be, this one is 5, this one is 5, this one is 4, this one is 6. So that is 9c raised to 6 minus 12a squared c cubed. And then plus 4a raised to 4 minus 6b c cubed plus 4a squared b plus b squared. Example number 4. This is a squared squared plus negative 5b squared plus negative 4c squared plus 2a squared negative 5b plus 2 second rather, it's negative 5b and negative 4c plus 2 first, that is a squared and negative 4c third. So getting the product, we have a raised to 4 plus 25b squared plus 16c cubed or c squared minus, this one is 10a squared b. This one is positive. 20 times 2 is 40 bc. This one is negative 8a squared c. So arranging this again in descending, this is a raised to 4. And then followed by cube. This is negative 10a squared b. Negative 8a squared c plus 40bc plus 25b squared plus 16c squared. Okay, let us go to the last. So I will just be erasing this. Okay. So this one and this one. This one. Okay. So we have 2x squared. We have 3b. And we have negative 4a. 2x squared, 3b. 3b, negative 4a. 2x squared, negative 4a. Okay, that's it. So we have here 4x raised to 4 plus 9b squared plus 16a squared. This is plus 12x squared b plus 12 times 2 negative. That one is negative 24ba or ab. And this one is negative 4 times 4 is 16x squared a. So arranging this again in descending, we have 4x raised to 4. We have 12x squared b. We have 16x squared. We have 16x squared a. We have negative 24ba plus 9b squared plus 16a squared.